Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to our presentations. So today we will be discussing our project on using supervised learning to predict diabetes. So some backgrounds. So machine learning, especially supervised learning, has transformed decision making in sector like healthcare, finance, and transportation. And for our project, we selected the random forest algorithm to analyze the PIMA Indian diabetes dataset, which contain medical record of women over the age of 21. And as we all know, diabetes is a chronic and potentially fatal disease, and making early diagnosis is crucial. By building a predictive model, we aim to support healthcare decision and advance in medical diagnosis. And next is our objective. So first is to pre-process and explore the PIMA Indian diabetes data sets. Second is to train a random forest model to predict a diabetes outcome. And third one is to evaluate the model's performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. Finally, to draw a conclusion about the model effectiveness and explore future improvements. And next is what is a random forest algorithm? A random forest algorithm is a machine learning algorithm that use a collection of decision tree that to solve a classification and regression problems. And the algorithms creates many decision trees during training, and then use the output of the majority of those three decision to reach a single result. So I think that's all for my parts. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nizar Hakim bin Haffiz with method number 2224891. So I will present about our dataset. So we take a dataset from Kaggle, which is PIMA India's diabetes dataset. So in this dataset, it is contain 768 records with 8 medical parameter. So the parameter is pregnancy, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, BMI, diabetes pedigree function, and age. So the target variable outcome indicates whether a person diabetic or the not diabetic. So 1 for diabetic and 0 for not diabetic. So before training our model, we split the data into 80% data for training and 20% for testing. It is ensuring that the class distribution were preserved. Next, we move to algorithm that we use. So we decided to use random forest as our algorithm because of its robustness with noisy data and also its ability to handle non-linearity data. So the algorithms work by creating the multiple decision trees and using majority voting for prediction. This an assemble approach reduce overfitting and ensures better generalization. So that's all for our dataset and algorithm. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nik Ameen and today I'm going to present our Python code for our project, which is predicting the diabetes from people. So we start our code with importing some of libraries into the code such as pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, and sklearn. Next, we use the links we found online to get the database from the internet and use into the use in our code. And next, we use a random forest algorithm, and this line we made is to predict the outcome, and this we print an accuracy classification report. Next, this block is to create a confusion matrix and show them. Also, we also create the feature importance and we show them using a TK or TC. And here is the output for the confusion matrix. The predicted is 77 got no diabetes, and the actual is also 77 has no diabetes. 22 people predicted to get diabetes, but they actually have no diabetes. Next, 21 people predicted to have no diabetes, but actually has diabetes. And next is 34 people predicted as diabetes, and it is diabetes. And next is the feature importance. As we can see, glucose has the highest importance score, which means the people with glucose have the high chance of getting diabetes. Next, come in second, which is BMI and age tie, which means BMI and age play an important role to predict the people who have the diabetes. Pregnancy, blood pressure, and insulin all has the almost near important score to get diabetes. And lastly is skin thickness, which means the people with skin thickness problem has the least chance to get the diabetes. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Nizar Farhan bin Rosnizam, and my metric number is 2222 and 619. So basically today I'm going to talk about our conclusion and also our lessons learned. So basically from our conclusion, we learned that the random forest algorithm was successfully used to predict diabetes based on the medical data. The model achieved an accuracy of 72%, proving to be a reliable tool for making predictions in tasks with two possible outcomes, which is either diabetes or no diabetes. So basically the analysis shows that certain factors such as glucose levels, BMI, and age were the most important in predicting whether a person had diabetes. These results show how supervised learning methods like random forests can be helpful in solving real-world healthcare problems. This project also highlighted how analyzing which features matter most can provide meaningful insights for improving medical decisions. So next is our lesson learned. So from this project, it taught us several important lessons, which is firstly is better understanding of supervised learning. So basically we gain a deeper understanding of how supervised learning works, especially how the random forest algorithm combines multiple decision trees to improve accuracy. Secondly is importance of pre-processing data. So we learned that preparing the data properly is essential. So steps like replacing missing values and normalizing the data ensure that the model can make better predictions. Thirdly is the evaluating the model. So basically we realize how important it is to measure the model's performance using different metrics like accuracy and precision. These metrics help to understand the model's strengths and weakness better. And lastly is teamwork and communication. So working as a team showed us the value of dividing tasks based on person's strengths. Good communication made the project more organized and efficient by helping us finish the project successfully. By combining this lesson, we now understand how machine learning can solve problems while also improving our technical and collaborative skills. I think that's all from me. Thank you.